So today's a big day. The big surprise arrives. They have no idea what's coming. I have Penelope here and Prince. Zayden and Rashad are not even here. I'm patiently waiting for them to arrive. I know I have Penelope with me and she cannot wait to know what the surprise is.
And I can't know what it is, but it's not like Bubble and Tim, but they're there and Tolga and
The gate's calling. That means they're here. Come on, guys. They're here. Let's go. Come on, Prince.
I'm so broke. I know what it is, but I can't know.
That's why it's a surprise. We gotta go open the gate, Penelope.
Okay.
Hi, Queen. Hi, Hawk. Hello. Let's go open. Oh my gosh, it would start raining right now. Are you kidding me? Gosh, it would start raining right now. It's been so nasty out all day. And of course, right now it's raining. I'm not surprised. Do you guys know what your surprise is? Do you know it? You don't know? Are you excited? Oh my God. Here it comes. Open this gate up. Open the bottom latch. Go, Prince, get the other one. This one, get that one. Open it up.
Come on, Prince, open it.
Hi! What is it? You see your surprise? Hey, Hulk, you ready to see your sister? Look, you ready to see your surprise?
It's nothing.
Oh,
Look at that.
it's nothing. You ready to see your surprise? What is it? It's a baby.
What is it? What is it called?
It's a baby donkey. Look,
I wanted a white donkey.
Come here and pet her.
look.
I wanted a white
I know
donkey.
you wanted one.
Here you go. Check
Look.
I want to name her Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Hey, Hulk. Look, Hulk, look at your little sister.
Oh,
Go ahead and scream about it. She's soft, isn't she?
She's going to be like a unicorn donkey. Come on, don't scare Hulk. See if she'll come this way. Queen, look, Queen. Oh, my gosh.
Look at her little tail.
Oh, my. Look.
Look at her little tail.
Oh, my.
Wait, your baby donkey has a little tail?
A little tail.
She does. Your dad's going to freak out when he gets here. Look all the way out by the gate.
Oh, out by the gate?
All the way out by the gate.
Are you? Oh my God. Bro, you have to be kidding me. What is wrong with you?
So what do you think about your surprise? Tell me.
Got it.
Hi.
It's a baby donkey.
I can't wait for Zayden to come home and see her.
I know. I named her Fluffy because I love pink. Because I love blue.
You want to name her Fluffy?
Yeah, because I love Fluffy.
Oh my God. Hi. Hey. It's okay. She's just a little scared. It's your baby sister, Queen.
And Hulk.
Hulk, do you come see your sister?
Mom, did the baby donkey shit?
What? What kind of question is that?
Like our big doggy shit too, duh.
Yes, Penelope.
Yes?
Okay, so Zayden's home. He has no idea what's been going on since he's been gone at baseball practice. So Zayden, since you've been gone, we had a surprise.
What?
All right, I want you to look all the way back there to that gate.
Who said that's donkey?
It's a baby donkey.
I know I was going to come.
You knew it was gonna come?
Yes.
You wanna go see her? She's so cute.
Can we pet her yet?
Yeah, you can pet her.
Yeah.
Penelope's been playing with her and cuddling her.
Can we go see her
Don't
now?
tell your dad. Don't tell your dad. Okay.
Yeah. Daddy, look right there.
Think about Fluffy, Zayden. We're gonna name her Fluffy. What do you think? You like her?
Yeah.
Did the donkeys hang out there or no?
Yeah, they did. They were like, yeehaw, yeehaw. You like Fluffy? Our baby Fluffy, so Penelope ended up naming her Fluffy Rainbow. Don't ask any questions. So now we are trying to get her to drink the milk. So she's now licking it out of my fingers. So I want to introduce her to the bottle. She might need a container, they told me, but as you can see, she likes it because she's licking it. But if I can get her to drink this off the bottle, it'll be such a great experience for the kids to learn how to do this. Here, see? She's being a little hesitant. She wants it because she's fighting with my hand. It's just getting her to actually drink the bottle because she's nibbling. Here. So she wants it off my hand. So I think the best thing for us to do right now is to get it in a container for her. See? You okay? Okay. You wanna go get me one of those containers?
I'm going to Fluffy. You want guys both hold it with me? Yeah. I want to do it. Come on, Fluffy. I'm going more close. I'm going more farther. I'm going this side.
David, do we gotta log back into the stuff with you? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for you.
I'm coming right now.
All right.
I'm proud of her neck.
Penelope just wants to hug her all day.
Hey, Fluffy. Fluffy. Fluff. Ah, she wants to lick you.